Who are you? Hi, everyone. You know who I am, but I would love to know who you are. I've got a classroom of thousands of students, and I'd like to know, where do you live? What part of the world are you in? Let everybody know. We are a virtual community, but we like to have discussions and we like to share our experiences. If you're comfortable doing that, please feel free to post your questions, your comments. Keep in mind you can always share comments. Now, as a matter of fact, not only would I like to know who you are and where you are, but I would like to know if you feel so inclined to leave a review, because Udemy loves to have reviews at the beginning of launching this course. So if you feel so inclined to leave a review, it would be greatly appreciated. And keep in mind that if you change your mind as you go through the course, you can always change your review later or add to it. There is a way to do that. So please let us know who you are. Please ask your questions. Please comment, because if there's anything that I miss that you need to know, you can always ask me, and I'm very happy to reply. So, hey everybody, come on into the virtual classroom and let's get started. In the next section, in section 2, I'm teaching you the fundamentals of emotional freedom techniques, where all the acupoints are, how to set up a setup phrase, how to do the tapping, how to rate the problem from 0 to 10, all that good stuff. Now, if you're brand new to EFT, if you've never seen anything on the internet about EFT, or if you would like a review, please feel free, and I do encourage you to watch all the lectures. But if you're an experienced tapper, if you have seen and done EFT on your own, then you can skip this particular section and go on to section 3, the rice and the tofu, the meat and potatoes of healing from relationships. So we are going to go on to the next section of the fundamentals of emotional freedom techniques. Here we go.